Okay, gathering of activities to the final exam of basic level weekly speak sessions. Let me introduce myself. Hello, my name is Cynthia Vega. I am 23 years old. I don't work. My birthday is June 15. I live in Sahagún. It's located in department Córdoba, near to Antioquia, next to Bolívar, under to Sucre and between two Sucre and Antioquia. I am tall, I have short hair, I have a round face, my skin is white, and I have many freckles, and my eyes are brown. I am respectful and responsible person. I like to play soccer twice a week with my friends. My favorite food is fish. And when I was a student at the Super Normal School in Sagum, I finished my school studies in the institution. And when I finished my bachelor's degree, I would like to work in the school or university. Okay, presentation of my family. She is my daughter. Her name is Paula Isabela. She is 2 years old. She likes to play and she is tender, loving hers. She is my daughter. She is beautiful. She is pretty. She is my mother. She is beautiful. And her name is Marley. She is 45 years old. She likes to sing and she is responsible, loving, and hardworking person. She is my family. Step 2, descripción two famous people. His name is Ricardo Arjona. He is 56 years old. He is famous singer. He likes to sing and read, and he is pretty and smart. He is black hair. He is short. His skin is brown. He is round face. He wore his shirt, a coat, and tie.